Welcome to my learning journey with Teacher Jeffrey. Yeast is a single-celled organism. It means it can live or survive as a cell. It belongs to a group called fungi. It contains the enzyme zymase. It helps in the breakdown of sugar. Its scientific name is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. It means that this fungus feeds on sugar. Yeast uses anaerobic respiration. This occurs without the presence of oxygen, producing ethanol and carbon dioxide, releasing small amount of energy. Anaerobic respiration in yeast is also called fermentation, as it produces alcohol called ethanol, and its byproduct is carbon dioxide. This is the word equation for anaerobic respiration. Glucose, producing ethanol plus carbon dioxide plus small amount of energy. This microorganism is best used in brewing industry and bread making. Let us now start our experiment regarding the fermentation of yeast in sucrose and glucose. For our materials, we need to prepare 2 boiling tubes, test tube rack. We also need 2 beakers, tubing with rubber band. We also need 2 packets of yeast. This is our procedure. Step 1. Prepare 2 boiling tubes, label it A and B. 2. Place 5 cubic centimeters into the boiling tube A, sucrose, and 5 cubic centimeter into the boiling tube B, glucose. Step 3. Prepare 2 beakers, one for 40 degrees Celsius water and another for the beaker with tap water. Step 4. Prepare glass tubing with a rubber band fit for the mouth of the boiling tube on one end. Step 5. Take boiling tube and place a packet of yeast. Mix well before placing it to the beaker with 40 degrees Celsius water. Step 6. Connect the tubing to the other beaker containing water. Observe for the formation of bubbles. Step 7. Count the bubbles produced in 1 minute. And lastly, record your observation in the table provided below. These are the bubbles observed after 1 minute. In boiling tube A, it is 57, and in boiling tube B, it is 88. For our guide, answer the following questions. 1. Name the gas form during the reaction. Number 2. Which boiling tube produces more bubbles in 1 minute? For our guide question number 3, name the sugar in boiling tube B. Our answer for guide question number 1 is carbon dioxide. The gas formed during the reaction is carbon dioxide. In guide question number 2, which boiling tube produces more bubbles in 1 minute? And that is boiling tube B. Our answer for guide question number 3 is glucose. The sugar in boiling tube B is glucose. Based on the data gathered, we will now go to our analysis. Which sugar did yeast respire more in this experiment? Is it sugar in boiling tube A, which is sucrose, or sugar in boiling tube B, which is glucose? Write your answers in the comments below. These are the takeaways for our lesson today. 1. Yeast is a fungi that feed on sugar. 2. The bubbles produced during fermentation is carbon dioxide. And third, the word equation for anaerobic respiration is glucose produces ethanol plus carbon dioxide plus small amount of energy. This ends our topic for today. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for our upcoming videos. Please do not forget to share this video to your friends if it gives value to you. Always remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. This is Teacher Jeffrey.